Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on this three dots right here. Go ahead and click on New Incognito tab. Take you right here. Now, for you to open a multiple tab on Incognito mode, what you want to do is to click on here. Then go ahead and click on here. Then you have two tabs right here. You can create as many as possible tabs. What you need to do is to continue to tap on this particular plus sign right here. And once you click on the plus sign, you have multiple tabs. Then to switch from one tab to another, what you need to do is click on here and it takes you to here. Then for you to switch to another tab, click on here again, and then it will bring out all the four tabs right here. Then from here, you can switch from one tab to another. So it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use incognito mode in Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.